Hello everyone. What we consume, if the combination of food we intake is wrong, we will face issues like digestion problems, PCOS, that is polycystic ovary syndrome, weight gain, with high chances of other encountering health issues. As well, to prevent the following health issues, a good food combination will equal to good health. Just like this, by intaking wrong combination food, we do mistakes on a daily basis. This video will address 6 wrong food combination you are eating daily, so you can fix your daily eating habits. So I'll explain it one by one. Now let's get into the video now. According to Ayurveda, they split eating into 3 dominant stages. The first stage is known as rasa. This stage focuses on food we intake, the taste of the food known as rasa, and once the food is digested into the body, there can be 2 effects, either cooling or heating effect. This stage called virya. And after this, the overall effect and benefits gained from the nutrients called as vipaka. Your digestion and metabolic process in the body will work around the combination of these 3 stages. If your food combination are wrong, you will face digestion issues and gas formation. So now let us see the first combination. The first combination is fruits and meals. This combination is followed by many people generally, assuming that having fruits will give out many benefits and will be healthy. But meal and fruit combination will not be the best option because fruits digest faster than other foods. So once we combine the intake of fruits along with food, with the fast digestion of fruits but the slow digestion process of foods intaken, the short duration of fruits settling in system along with having high chances of getting fermented in system, this can increase the chances of facing digestion related issues. Fruits are eaten for their benefits, but doing this we will lack the full nutrients from the fruits. In conclusion, intake meals and fruits separately. Best to eat fruits after or before your meals. Now let us see second combination. The second combination is burger and fries. This well-known burger and fries combination is not the best option because we know the burger and fries both cooking process is deep fry only. The chances of both these foods having trans fat is relatively high. The issue with trans fat is that will decrease the good cholesterol with body and increase bad cholesterol, and as well as will decrease sugar level, which will result in the feeling of being lethargic and lazy. So let's move on to third combination. The third combination is milk and fruits. Why these two combined is not the best option because milk is known to contain a protein known as casein protein. The digestion rate of this protein is relatively low. Combining that along with fruits, especially combining with high acid fruits like orange and lemon, this will increase your acidic levels within the body. The other well-known milk and banana combination which you have at night, this is a very heavy combination for the stomach. This may also result in high chances of getting sick with a cold or cough. So intake of fruits and milk separately is the best option. So the next combination is beer along with the salty nuts or chips. Why this combination will not set? Because these nuts or chips contains high sodium content. The high amounts of sodium will cause dehydration with your body. So if it dehydrates your body, obviously you wish to drink more and more. This is why bars tends to sell these kinds of salty chips and nuts. So let's move on to another combination. Watermelon with other fruits. What many of us don't know is that watermelon is not the best option to be consumed with other fruits. How many of us have made mixed fruit salad with watermelon? It will be tasty, but why it should be avoided means watermelon is a fruit with high water content. Adding this along with other fruits like apple or orange, knowing that watermelon will digest after than other fruits. This will increase of chance of resulting in bloating, gas formation and other stomach issues. Best option to eat separately. Let's move on to sixth combination. The sixth combination is white bread along with jam. How many of us have eaten this easy breakfast while rushing to school or work in the morning? Why this combination is not best? Because both white bread and jam contains very high sugar levels. Having that much sugar early in the morning would not be the best decision, as well as it doesn't contain so much of fat or proteins also. This may result in getting easily hungry. As you eat more, you may gain lots of weight, and in your body fats will be secreted. So alternate is to go with brown bread and peanut butter. It's considerable. So that's all this video. In this combination, which combination you have tried and which combination you were doing, please comment in the comment box, and thank you for watching.